Once upon a time, in a lush green jungle, lived a mighty lion, known as the king of the jungle. One day, while the lion was taking a nap, a tiny mouse, curious and playful, wandered near the lion's den. Unaware of the danger, the mouse accidentally woke up the mighty lion with its tiny footsteps. "Who dares to wake me up from my slumber?" "Please forgive me, O mighty lion, I meant no harm. I'm just a tiny creature."